Hey everyone, Elise with Dirt Road Dancing here, and today I got another fun one for you. We are gonna learn the dance Lonely Drum to the song Lonely Drum. If you haven't yet, definitely subscribe to our channel. It'll keep you in the know and all the things you wanna dance to. All right, it's time to dance. Let's get started. We'll see you on the other side. All right, we're gonna get started with our first set of 8 counts, and I'm gonna face this direction so you can see what my boots are doing. All right, so we start this dance off with 4 stomps with our right foot. So you're gonna take that foot, it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're gonna take that left foot and it's gonna go toe, heel, stomp. And then we're gonna do the same with the right foot for toe, heel, stomp. Making all of that weight ending on that right foot. Okay, so let's put some counts behind that. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. All right, our second set of 8 counts. Here we go. So I'm going to face this direction. We just did our right side toe, heel, stomp. So all of our weight is on that right foot. Now, this is where our first wall change comes into play. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that left foot and we're going to step and roll on the ball of that foot for a quarter turn to the right for 2. Right, then we're going to take that left foot and we're going to cross it for a cross shuffle for 3 and 4. Then we're going to take that right foot, we're going to bring it out and just do a little shake, 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 making sure that that hip ends up over that right foot. Then we're going to take the left foot and it's going to go behind and cross. So now all of my weight is on that front foot, my left foot. Okay, so let's do that with some counts. So I just did my toe heel stomp with my right. We're going to step and turn in 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, hips 5 and 6, behind 7 and 8. Okay, so now I'm going to show you that step facing this wall so you can see what my feet are doing. So I ended up with my right toe and I'm going to step with my left for 1, turn 2, then I'm going to cross for 3 and 4, then I'm going to go 5 and 6, behind and cross. So we'll go ahead and we'll take it all the way from the very, very top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Step 1, turn 2, shuffle 3 and 4, hips 5 and 6, 7, and 8. All right, now we're at the top of our third set of 8 counts. So we just did our behind and cross. So our left foot is crossed over. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take that right toe, we're going to tap out with the right, then we're going to switch it and tap out with the left toe, and then we're going to go to our right heel, and then our left heel, and then we're going to do a step, walk, walk. Okay, so let's put some counts just on that part because it does get a little fast and tricky. So we just brought that left foot over. We're going to toe tap at the right, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. And then we're going to walk again with that left for 6 and then shuffling out that count for 7 and 8. Okay, so let's do that again. So we just cross with that left, toe tap out in 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, shuffle 7 and 8. All right, now I'm going to show you facing this way so you can see what my feet are doing. So I just crossed with the left, we're going to toe tap out, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, walk 6, shuffle 7 and 8. All right, so from the very, very top, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Step 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, hips 5 and 6, 7, and 8. Toe 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so we're coming into our home stretch, our final set of 8 counts. So technically we should be on our 3 o'clock wall, right? So we just finished out our shuffle step with the right. So our last set of counts, I'm going to take a step with my left foot for 1. We're going to pivot turn into that right shoulder for 2. Then I'm going to shuffle with my left for 3 and 4. And then I'm just going to slide step with my right foot for 5, 6, slide 7, 8. So it's a diagonal step with my right and then a diagonal step with my left. Okay, so let's go ahead, face our 3 o'clock wall. So our right foot is forward. We just ended in that shuffle. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4. Slide 5, 6, slide 7, 8. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and face this direction so you can see that last set of counts as if I were facing this wall, just so you can see what my feet are doing. So right foot is facing forward. So I'm going to take a step forward with that left pivot. Now I'm facing the camera, shuffling forward with that left, shuffle, step, step, and slide, step, and slide. So that's your official wall turn, and then the dance starts over. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's take it all the way from the top, putting it all together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Step 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hips 5 and 6, 7, and 8. Toe 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6. Shuffle 7 and 8. 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4. Slide 5, 6, slide 7, 8. Okay, so there is a tag in this dance. So the tag is actually going to come earlier in the song. So you're going to at least go one time around until the tag starts. And you'll hear the instrumental part in the song before he starts the next verse. When the tag starts, you're going to be on your 3 o'clock wall. So you just finish your slide, step, slide, step. You're going to take your right foot. I'll face this way. You're going to take your right foot and you're going to rock forward, recover, shuffle back. Then you're going to take your left foot, you're going to rock, recover, and then shuffle forward with the left, bringing all of that weight to the left foot so you can stomp it out at your top of the 8. Okay? So let's go ahead and put some counts behind that. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, there you have it. You have learned the entire dance. Now, if you're ready to stomp it out with us, click the link above, and it'll take you directly to the Stomp It Out video. Awesome. Hey, Troy, what's a lonely drum?